The 52 Jiao wetland is a landmark destination in Wujie, renowned for its thriving natural environment. Each late autumn, flocks of migratory birds arrive for its rich food resources. Walking here, I feel the gentle breeze and slow down to savor the beauty of this place. The 52 Jiao wetland is a low-lying area that formed an expansive marsh, fostering a unique and thriving ecosystem. With misty mountains glowing in the distance, this wetland is truly a stunning destination to visit in any season. Today, we'll experience it in a whole new way. Let's hop onto this punt and go uncover a hidden gem known only to the locals. Wow, it's really beautiful here.
Yes, it is.
What's the river called?
This is Dongsan River. We're at its downstream section.
So where's the boat taking us?
We're heading to a secret spot.
A secret spot?
Look to the right. This area is also part of the 52 Jiao wetland. The wetlands serve as a habitat for large numbers of migratory birds and fish. It is a very important place for us.
Yeah, for the locals. So, was this always accessible? I mean, being able to take the punt like this?
Not before. People cleaned the river. Look how clean it is now.
Look, they're propelling the punt with a pole. Have you done that before?
Yes, that's actually what we use to hang clothes. We also have one at home. You want to punt this boat?
Yes, I'd love to.
Are you sure?
Can I? Seriously, can I do it?
Give it a try then?
Sir, is that okay?
Yes.
Awesome!
Take it slow, don't rush.
Now I'll be your boatman.
Come here. Be careful. It's your turn. Stand here.
Stand here? Okay. I can't feel the bottom.
Stick it deeper.
Oh, I feel it. Okay, I got it.
See? Push with force.
Forward.
There you go. Great.
Am-
Yes, we're moving. Make a turn now.
How do I do that? Wait, we're about to crash. Ah! I hit the land.
Let's adjust it a little this way, and we'll be back on track.
Look at how she's clinging to her life.
I said it was okay, but honestly, I'm scared to death.
This is hilarious. Hey.
Yeah, hold this.
It's absolutely beautiful here. I just want to take a moment to enjoy it. I love this place so much. You know, life in Taipei is stressful.
Yeah, the pace is really fast.
It's like you hardly ever get a chance to slow down and really take in the moment, even just taking a deep breath and feeling it. It's almost like a privilege. People from Yilan are always so chill like you, huh?
Of course.
I think this place is perfect for wedding photos. Has anyone come here for wedding shoots?
Absolutely. Just look around how stunning it is.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And the scenery changes every season.
The colors of the trees change?
The whole atmosphere feels different too.
Yeah, when do you think is the best time to visit?
I'd say early morning.
Early morning?
Yeah, when the migratory birds are around.
You know, people in Taipei sleep really late, right?
But we in the countryside wake up super early, like 5 a.m., starting with morning exercise and checking the fields.
Early morning, huh? That's really healthy.
Just take a slow stroll to get here. Another great time is at dusk.
Dusk? What time would that be?
It would be around 4 or 5 p.m.
Wait, you call 4 p.m. dusk?
Yeah, that's dusk for us.
I think we're living in different time zones.
So, would you like to move to Yilan?
Totally. After these past few days here, I really have fallen in love with it. There are so many beautiful spots and great places to eat.
And you're the first show to come here to film.
Really?
Yeah.
We're the first?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. It's definitely called for a celebration.
Let's celebrate.
Wujie is such a beautiful place, with its stunning landscapes and serene hideaways. The scenery here is etched in my memory. I'll never forget it. A local recommended a creative marshmallow biscuit maker with a heartwarming story behind their treats. I hear there's delicious marshmallow biscuits here. Mrs. Lin, what's so special about your biscuits?
Today, I'm introducing a local marshmallow biscuit from Yilan. It's seaweed flavor.
Seaweed flavor? What inspired you to add seaweed to the biscuit?
Yilan coastal area produces plenty of seaweed. During the low tide, fishermen along the coast gather natural seaweed from the rocks. It's very natural ingredient, so I decided to incorporate it into the biscuits. Now, let's get started making these biscuits, shall we? First, we'll melt some butter in the pan and add a bit of sea salt. And next, we'll add our properly portioned sweet paste. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
It's all natural. Now we'll let it melt down first.
It kind of reminds me of popcorn.
Exactly. Next, we'll add some salted egg yolk cookies.
Homemade ones?
Yes, we make them ourselves.
These cookies are handmade too?
Now we mix everything together. I'll let you have a go at mixing.
This looks like a good workout for your arms.
Definitely. Now give it a try.
It looks like it's tricky.
You need to mix the cookies thoroughly. All the ingredients we use are 100% natural.
No added
additives. None at all. Everything is as natural as it gets.
Mrs. Lin, is this okay? Look.
Perfect. See how it looks like a little snowflakes? You're doing great.
Really?
Absolutely.
So what's next?
Next, we add the very natural ingredient, seaweed. It's rich in fiber and calcium, and it's also very low in calories. Sprinkle it in.
Oh, then we just
Yes, keep mixing.
keep mixing? Okay. Mrs. Lin, may I ask what inspired you to start making these biscuits?
Actually, we've been running culinary vocational training programs for 20 years. During this time, I noticed a gap. There were many unemployed mothers and less privileged people nearby. We also have a special education school, and we wanted to create job opportunities for these children as well.
Miss Lin shared with me her desire to use her modest abilities to care for vulnerable groups in society, fulfilling a socially responsible role as a conscientious business. The thoughtful creativity behind her biscuits adds a heartwarming touch, and I'm convinced that the combination of seaweed and desserts creates a match made in heaven. Wow, there's so many flavors. I want to try every single one.
Go ahead, give them a taste.
Is this the most popular flavor?
Yes, this is our newest, most popular one.
Oh, okay. Let me give it a try. It's so dense. I can really taste the ocean. It's amazing. And I've noticed that your biscuit isn't overly sweet, so it doesn't leave my throat dry or make me feel like I need to keep drinking water. I can taste the quality of the ingredients.
Yes, they do.
Does that leave you any profit?
Make the cost a bit higher. Well, let's set aside profit for now. I'd say what's more important is that we use better ingredients to create safe and healthy snacks. That's our main goal.
And you're constantly
developing new flavors.
Thank you, Mrs. Lin, for using such locally sourced ingredients to create such delicious biscuits. The texture of the biscuit is truly unique. It looks like a traditional Chinese sashima, but the moment you take a bite, it's full of surprises. The crushed salted cookies blended perfectly with the rich buttery flavor. It's soft yet doesn't stick to your teeth, melting in your mouth almost instantly. What's better is the subtle aroma that lingers afterwards, reminiscing of stepping into a historic site, evoking a sense of nostalgia and timeless charm. It's a feeling that's hard to put into words, and that's the same sense of emotion, is exactly what we'll be exploring at our next destination, the Yilan Park of National Center for Traditional Arts.